All right, welcome back. We are back at the truck where we came in, and we're gonna go check out the other cabins and look for the pavilion, which this might be it right here, I'm pretty sure. I think I showed a little bit in the other video. So what?
The tea pavilion.
That's the tea pavilion. Okay, that's where we got our tea booked.
I think.
For a certain time.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Okay. Alright. Our cabin is cabin 01, which is that way. Cabin 02. Oh, that way. And cabin 00 is that way. So which one do you want to go check out first?
Let's try to find the sauna.
Sauna? Alright, let's go look for the sauna.
So,
Do we have a code for this too?
I don't think there's a code.
Oh, check it out. There's all the kindling.
Oh yes, the kindling and everything is over here.
Right on. What's this? Oh, paper. Right on. We're rocking.
And the bags to bring the logs back over to our thing if we want.
Hey, look, then we got a little hatchet over here. I brought my hatchet that's twice the size of that, so just in case, but I don't think I need to chop some. They got so much wood here, it's ridiculous. So I was just walking by this. Check this out. There, you can actually see the logs cut out. That's pretty cool. Whatever they filled with the seams there. Neat. I'm liking it.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
There's one of the marked trails.
Here's the back. Which way? You want to go that way?
The
Or
sauna
you wanna go
should be
this way?
this way.
All right.
Cold plunge.
Sauna and a cold plunge we are doing tonight at, what time are we doing that at?
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. Alright, there's some more smaller pieces over here, it looks like, and another wooden spot.
Never thought, should we be carrying some sort of something with us while we're out in the woods at all
Yeah,
times?
I probably should have brought my axe or something, man.
That
forgot
new
my knife at
multi-purpose
home.
One. Oh, this must be a sauna up here.
Alright, let's check it out.
And they say it takes about 20 minutes to heat up the sauna and fill the cold plunge pool. So when we get there, we'll do that. But you get it for an hour and a half. I'm guessing to account for the time it's going to take to get it all ready. So should be lots of fun.
Ooh, look at
Nice
that.
way to relax before the end of the evening.
Yeah,
Very cool.
I'm excited to try it.
And they have like change rooms and everything over here for you.
Is that
You
like
can
the
see little
cold plunge
lights
thing right
all the
there?
way down. Yeah. Oh, it shows you.
Oh, there's a little
trails
light set
this
up too,
way.
eh? Okay, here we go. Trails, cabin 2 is over here too.
So I'm understanding why they said you should wear good, solid shoes
Footwear,
all the time.
yeah. Look at the size of these rocks.
It's definitely hard on the feet. I'm just running.
Look at this terrain.
And yeah, it's a little.
Look at the size of these. So that's what you're walking on. Oh,
Just in case
nice.
there's anybody in the sauna, be careful.
I didn't think there's anybody here, except for there is another entrance, so I'm not too sure. Let's check it out.
So there's instructions on the wall that tells us how to do it.
Cool. Look at that wood. That is awesome.
Very cool.
Gotta love it. It's a nice little setup. Oh, there's the hose to fill it up. Oh, look at that sun. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but
Now I
little
understand
sun.
why bathrobes in your room.
Oh, it's open. There we go.
Yeah.
Oh, smell that. Right on. Spray on rocks. Wow, the smell of wood in here is unbelievable. Look at this.
Are you supposed to wear your shoes in there?
I don't know. Whoops. I got my flip flops on. Whoops. I think flip flops is good. I'm not sure though. Pretty nice. I wonder why they didn't put the thing. Oh, because it's loose. And I just pulled it out. Okay, we'll just leave that like that. Make sure this is closed. Alright, what else we got here? What's in here?
I don't know. I didn't try.
Oh, change room.
Oh yes, I forgot they said
Okay,
there was one
there's what?
there. And
There we go.
there's a first aid kit and everything too.
Oh, again, look at this woodwork. Loving it. Look at this. Alright, nice little change room. Right on. Lights off. Alright, the sauna and the cold plunge. Uh-oh. Where'd she go? Don't be taking off on me now.
I'm just walking a little.
Alright, where are we going now?
We
This is...
can either go back or this heads towards some of the trails as well as cabin 2, which
Alright,
is closer.
let's go check out cabin 2.
That one's closer to the road.
Cabin 2.
Now, of course, we're going to be very cautious. We don't want to walk up on
Yeah, I don't wanna
anybody
make
and
sure.
bother anybody.
Make sure there's nobody there.
I don't want to infringe on anyone else's fun private
Yeah.
time. But it is
Look at this
beautiful.
silence. You can't even hear a car. You can't hear anything.
Except the animals chirping.
It's pretty quiet right now, actually. Oh, check this tree out. That's pretty cool looking. Right on. Yeah, you can't hear anything. I think I can hear a plane now or something. But I can hear one bird, and that's it. Hey, I can't even hear crickets. Nothing. Gotta love it. Alright. I think I'm gonna turn you off now. And I'll turn you back on when we get closer. Alright, so we went walking up to... What cabin was that? What number? 02. And there's a vehicle there. So we didn't even go close to it. We just turned around as soon as we seen the vehicle and we'll just go the other way. Hopefully we get a chance to check that cabin out. Now we'll go check out the other one and see if there's anybody there.
That one's probably empty.
I hope so.
There's no cars.
I don't mind checking out another cabin. Alright. We're back. We're heading to the next cabin. Don't forget to bring your boots, because there is some mud here. I can imagine if it rained pretty good, it would be really muddy. Oh, that's from the Kubota. I can see the Kubota tracks. Alright, so this is cabin 00. And we went back and made sure there was no cars in this one. I don't think anybody's here. Oh wow, this one looks smaller, eh? Mm-hmm. Okay, this one's a little smaller. Alright. Get the big stone down there. Alright. Same thing, Yeti cooler. Oh, they got the view of that tree, I'm guessing. Alright, let's walk around and take a peek. Yeah, the window is mirrored. Cool. Okay, there we go. There's our window there. Cool. And there's the tree that they look at. Right on. What a view. Alright. Oh, they got different chairs than we got on our cabin. Alright, that's cabin 00. So cool looking. Alright, oh, she's taking off on me. I don't know. I got my flip-flops on still. I have mud between my toes. The size of that boulder.
Like the boulders on Oak Island.
What's that?
It's like the boulders on Oak Island.
Gotta love these trails. What trail was this called?
This one, I believe, is Pretty River Trail? Yeah.
Pretty River Trail. Pretty River Trail.
Tomorrow we'll go out and do a little trail hike and check some stuff out.
Yes, we will. I don't know if you guys heard her or not, but she said tomorrow we're gonna go out and check out the trails. Do some hiking.
Brought my hiking boots. I'm glad I did.
Alright. So we got the propane tank. I wonder if that runs like
All of us.
all the cabins. Interesting.
Right.
Alright, you got the hose here. Just in case your fire gets out of control. I like how they stack the logs around it. It's pretty neat.
I like how we have a beautiful.
Oh, look at it. I didn't even notice. There's like a tower here, eh?
Huh.
You see that?
Cool.
I'm trying to see the top of it. Oh, there we go. There's satellite dishes up there.
That must be how we get around.
Yeah. Maybe it's the Wi-Fi. Who knows? Oh, look at this. It's our ice machine. Just chilling outside. Right on. Size of the scoop. Alright, we're coming back for some ice. Make sure that's closed. Alright, we got some diesel for the Kubota. Garbage cans over there. And that's us down there. If you can see it, it's camouflage.
To do that, you'll need to be online.
Whoa. Suri's talking to you. Look at this thing.
Stone passed down to ours.
Yeah, these stones ain't too bad.
No.
They must have just laid them. Look at this terrain. Yeah. Look at that. Looks so cool. sunset's gonna be cool through the trees. Oh look, got a bunch of wood over here too. All stacked up. Got lights everywhere too, looks like. There's little lights set up to the trees and stuff. There's another one. All right. Alright, I'll set you guys up right here in the middle of the window. You guys can check it out. And you can hear the wind kicking up. This tree is gigantic. Right, the wind coming from the other way now. That's all you can hear. Can't hear any birds. Oh, as I said that, I hear one. Silence. Relaxing. Very relaxing. You're still here. Thanks for watching the whole video. More videos to come from the cabin. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Thank you.